and a beautiful body, but she has a beautiful heart. So that's the three attributes.
My second question is for Allison. You mentioned that you are very interested in painting, and also you mentioned about photography. So what type of photography genre do you do? So do you do fashion photography as well? And if you do you consider being in the other side of the equation or other side of the lens?
I actually did do a lot of photography and art direction when I was living in New York. I like to kind of curate different settings and things for whether it was portrait series or a fashion series or a story and an editorial. It's something that I still am very interested in doing. I studied darkroom photography in college. I love developing my own film. So I'm always doing things like that. And regardless of what the topic is, if it's fashion or just personal, I think my favorite subject to photograph, though, for sure, is people.
People, yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Our next question will come from Jude Cortalaba of the Modern Scribe, 2010.wordpress.com.
My question goes to either to Tora Guerrero or to Joseph Feliciano. Since you've chosen Allison to be your endorser, your newest endorser, and you had Nikki Hill and Iya Virian before. Is this part of your, because you're looking into having a global image, is this part of your global expansion? You have plans of expanding globally?
A secret. Kidding. With maybe it can be a start. We haven't really looked into it that much, but of course, who wouldn't want to go global, right? That's what you want to have. That's what you want your brand to become. You always want to become a global brand. Now, with Allison as compared to Iya and Nikki, I'll say we just want to do something different every time, keep it fresh. So that.
Another one, most of the clients of Buy Essence is around an average of 45 years old up.
Yes.
So, yes, I can agree. We want also to have a message to the younger generation, like Nikki, Iya, and Allison here, that you can start doing your skincare and taking care of yourself, when you are still young, so that you will reach 75 or more years. So you start early, taking care of yourself.
Thank you. Ms. Bob Gloriosa, Philippine Stars question.
For Allison, what is beautiful to you, and is beauty more important than character?
That's an interesting question because I think a lot of times when I meet someone, regardless of how they look, I think if they have really interesting or really strong attributes to them that makes me drawn to them, if they have a great personality, that in turn makes them beautiful. So I think if you can kind of make that come full circle with your personality, I think having a good character is beautiful. So that's by far, the number one thing for me, because you can be the most beautiful person in the world, but if you have an ugly personality, then it's not attractive to me anymore.
Thank you. Any questions? Any questions for kayo? Okay. Yes.
Hi, Allison. Pichinori here. My daughter is one avid fan of yours, and she watches AMTM. So, in line with what Dr. Guerrero has mentioned, that Buy Essence is leveling up in taking you in as the brand ambassador. How will you be able to help Buy Essence level up?
I think what she's saying in terms of the demographic, I will be able to reach younger people through social media and things. I do believe it's really important to take care of your skin and to take care of yourself. So it's a message that I am really looking forward to spreading, because it's just been helping.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Now we will have a contract signing with Alison and the BioSS people. Joining them is... Okay. Photographers and TV crews. Please take photos.
Last question, Alison, before we do the contract signing. I would just like to know how strong is your social media following?
My Instagram, I believe, has over 250,000. My Twitter is 170,000 something, and my Facebook is over 300,000. So very, very flattered to have that many people care about what I'm doing. So it's awesome.
Let's take contract signing. Let's have the contract signing. After that, Alison will have an autograph and a picture.
Pretty brutal, but for me, I would just say what I do for anything. I'm so lucky and but that's amazing and have the world. But one of the hardest lessons I learned is that you need to know a lot more than you're people yet. I think that you just need to really treasure and go to the moments that you are present and really relish in the fact that what you're doing is something super cool. But you need to make sure that you really, really enjoy what you're doing.
Talagang mata niya nag-uusap na.
Grabe.
Thank you, ma'am.
The most fun I've been having. A really great time all around. Yes. And it definitely take care of yourself. After you take care of yourself, you're really good. Definitely so blessing. Always
Those who want to interview Alison, you can interview her after the contract signing. Thank you.
And I'm extremely confident and proud to be called to